Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah. In this video, inshallah, we will present our data like with a chart. So I want to present this data. I have to select it. Everything that I want to present it with a chart, I select it, I highlight it, and then I go to Insert tab. Click on Insert tab. And then we have charts. We're gonna start with pie chart. You can present your data with 2D or 3D. Okay, show me in the group. You can make it like donut. Who love eating donut? I know you do, grateful. So you can present your data. I want to choose 3D pie. Now I can present my data with a 3D pie chart. I can resize it also, by the way. Make it smaller a little bit. Now I can see I have got like doctors, they presented with blue, business person presented with gray, singer or actor, and so on. If I decided to change this chart, I can go to change chart type over here. Click on change. And you can switch between charts. I can go to column chart. Let's try this column. You got many column charts. Okay, let's do this simple column chart. I want this. I click OK. Okay, bravo, send it in the group. Show me. I can know that how many percent of each one. Of each jobs that student want to be. I can add a title also, by the way. I can name it. I can name it like class survey. SURVEY, class survey. Okay, you change your mind, always go to change chart type. Remember, yeah, grade 4, while you are selecting the chart, you got chart tools, you got format, and you got design tab. Okay, so I grade 4, if I click outside, it disappears. I have to click on my chart. I can change it. Let me change it. Let me go back to pie. I want this one. I like this one. I click OK. Now I got a colorful pie chart. The name of the chart up here. Yes? Do it one more time. I'm recording a video. I will send you the video. Okay. So I grade 4, I present my data with a chart. Okay.